My render is now complete. I can see that down here where it says render complete, and it says see console for more information, and I do need some more information, so I'm going to click on this little guy right here, open up the console, and what I need to know, and I could have seen this earlier, I need to see where those things are stored, and you'll see that they're stored in Documents, Maya, and in my case Projects, New Folder, Images. So that Images folder is going to contain 24 JPEGs. Currently they're not in a movie format. I need to turn them into that movie format. To do that, I'm going to open up a program called FCheck. So click on my spotlight here, type in FCheck, open up FCheck, and then I'm going to hit File, Open. Open Sequence is what I want. And then I'm searching for that folder, and you'll see that it's in Documents, Maya, and then Projects, and in my case New Folder, and then Images, and I'm looking for the one that starts with Untitled, because I forgot to name it file here. But untitled1.jpg, click on Open, and it will open that sequence from 1 on down. It'll automatically do that. I only have to select the first one. It's kind of playing too fast, so I'm going to uncheck this every frame thing and make sure it looks the way I want it to look. Looks okay to me, so I'm going to hit File, Save as Movie. I can't do that if I'm on a PC, but I can here, and I'm going to just save it as just ball bounce, and it'll save it as a .mov on my desktop. So ball bounce, there it is. And use transformations. If I had rendered PNGs and I wanted my transparencies and whatnot to pass through to the movie, I could click Use Transformations. It doesn't really matter in this case, so I'm just going to hit No Transformations. And then I'm going to open up another program. Spotlight here again, I'm going to open up iMovie. So when I open up iMovie, I'm done with FCheck. I'll go ahead and close that. Waiting for iMovie. I'm going to do File, New Project here in iMovie, and call this one. I'm going to call, close that, my first name and my last name dash ball bounce. That'll make it a little bit easier for me, and when I grade them, if you have that first name, last name, dash ball bounce, widescreen for sure, and then I'm going to click on Create and start a new project. I have these videos here. I'm going to get out of my Scratch work area. Oops. And then I'm going to hit File, Import, Movies. Remember I put it on the desktop, so there's desktop, and I'm going to grab ball bounce out of there, click on Import, and it'll put it down here. Now remember, it's a ball bounce cycle, so currently it's only going to bounce once, and I want it to bounce several times, so that's easy enough. I just need to stick a bunch of them together. So you hit the space bar on this, you can see that it will bounce once. So I can click on this, drag it up here, and do that again. And let's say I want it to bounce, let's have it bounce 6 times. 5, 6. This time I'm going to create some titles here. Click on this little T, and I'm going to create a title here. It sits right over that one there, and it's going to say my first animation project, and we don't need any subtitle text. And then we're going to put some credits at the end, so we'll grab this guy and put him over here, starring Fred as himself and me as the animator. You can do anything you want for these credits, and we'll have that at the end. So I'm going to preview this here. Just click on that there. My first animation project, bounces a few times, credits scroll by real fast. We're going to slow those credits down. How about right click on this guy. Oh no. Okay, I'll leave those credits alone. Test that again here. First animation project. Goes in and out. There it goes. Oh, that's why it's tied to only one of those animation sequences. So they were both going to go fast, which is just fine. Now I need to finish up this animation project. I'm going to click Share, Export Movie, and it's called Export there to the desktop. Large is going to be fine. Notice that same resolution, 960 by 540. And click on Export. It's going to export that nice short little movie, and that's the movie that you'll turn in. Good job.